Hi there! Welcome back to our video series of building recommendation systems with TensorFlow. My name is Wei, and I'm a developer advocate at Google. In this video, we're going to continue our journey on building recommendation systems. If you have watched our previous videos, we have covered a lot of ground in this video series. Today, we're going to talk about how to integrate TensorFlow Recommenders with TensorFlow Lite and TensorFlow Extended. If you recall, in one of our previous videos, we walked you through the adaptive on-device recommendation framework for TensorFlow Lite. The training code for it was written using TensorFlow Core API, but you could also directly convert a TensorFlow Recommenders ranking model to TFLite. To do that, first, export the trained ranking model. Next, use TFLite converter to convert the model. Once the conversion is done, we can run the model with the TFLite interpreter. In addition to TFLite, you could also integrate TensorFlow Recommenders with TensorFlow Extended. We won't go into the details of TFX, but at a high level, TFX is an end-to-end platform for deploying production ML pipelines. Feel free to check out TFX videos on the TensorFlow channel. We will use a ranking model to demonstrate how to integrate TensorFlow Recommenders and TFX. Since TFX does not directly support TensorFlow dataset API, we are going to manually download the movie length 100K dataset. We also do some simple pre-processing to format the file into a CSV file, which can be ingested into a TFX pipeline. Now we can create the trainer module file. We start by defining the feature and label keys for data ingestion. Next step is to define the ranking model. It's pretty much the same as the model we used in the TF Recommenders ranking tutorial. The only difference is that we need to convert the user ID data type from int64 to string, since the CSV example gen extracts a user ID as int64. Similarly, we do this for movie ID as well. After that, we can create the input function and build keras model functions. They are pretty common to define for TFX pipelines. Lastly, we define the run function, which reads the data, train the model, and exports the model. So that's it for the trainer module file. Now we can create the TFX pipeline using the createPipeline function. We create the CSV example gen and trainer components here. Next, we create the pusher component and put the three components together. Now we can run the TFX pipeline. TFX will generate a large number of outputs, but if you look carefully, you can see the training output from TF Recommenders in the log. After the pipeline is finished, we can load the saved model back and run inference to get a predicted rating. So that's it. One last thing before we wrap. We have recently released a new codelab that shows you how to build a full-stack recommendation system. It includes training a retrieval model and a ranking model, standing up an endpoint with TensorFlow serving, and calling the recommendation backend from a cross-platform Flutter app. Please visit the link to learn more. So to summarize, today we walked you through how to integrate TF Recommenders with TFLite and TFX. Please check out the reference links here to learn more. Thank you.